Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn exactly how to change A4 paper size to US letter size in Word quickly and professionally. This is extremely useful when preparing documents for printing in the United States or sharing file internationally. Whether you are a student, office workers or business professionals, this simple trick will save you time and prevent printing problems. So let's get started. You can see here a assignment. Now I want to change the size of the page A4 to US letter. Go to the layout menu, then click the size drop down menu, and we can see here the default is A4. Now I select the US letter size, select this letter, then zoom out this. Now we can see we make this very easily. You can change the page size here, the size option. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.